So I think that I am totally visible to you all. So in this video I will be discussing about the Khilafat issue which is being done for the movement against religion pressures, we can say, in the clear cut manner. Why I'm saying about religion? Because this issue is not about Indian politics, which I have already discussed in the previous video itself, in the additional information of non-cooperation Khilafat movement. So in this video I'll be discussing about why Khilafat movement is such somewhat different from the Indian politics, as it is different from Indian politics because of some of the region which has been done in Turkey. We can say that we can even relate that. So let me understand about the Khilafat issue which has been done here, or which has been arisen. Why? What is the question is why? Why this Khilafat issue has been arisen by one of the League of Muslims. So let me make you clear understanding point wise. Then after first point here itself it has been written that sentiment of Indian Muslim to protect the institution of the Khilafah in Turkey. So it is all led by the Indian Muslim to oppose, to restigate, or to make a ban for the institute of Khilafah in the Turkey. Okay, it is all about protesting against the institution of Turkey. Okay, then after the Khilafi in Islamic tradition considered as successor of the Prophet Muhammad. Okay, Khilafi means the successor of Prophet Muhammad. You should have to know that Khilafi means the successor of Prophet Muhammad. Religion and leaders, okay, religious leader and the custodian to and protector of the Muslim holy places. Okay, this is how the holy place has been protected. Okay, the Islami, we can say that. As Turkey was defeated in the First World War, the alliance imposed strict terms in Turkey. Turkey was disremembered and the Khilafi removed from the power. Okay, when the Turkeys have lost in the First World War, it leads to it eventually leads to the removal of Khilafi from its power. The Muslim in the Indian launches, okay, the Muslim in the Indian Khilafi movement to pressurize the British to be eliminate and preserve the territorial integrity of Ottoman Empire and the institution of Khilafi. So when a person is been lost from any other country of same religion, then definitely the same religion people who are staying in a certain country will definitely oppose. This is common. So that's what our Indian Muslim have done in the modern history of 1920 to 1919. Okay, 1990 to 1920, we can say that in clear cut manner. So who are the leadership who have played a vital role in the lead generation of the protest of Khilafat movement? One is Sakud Ali, Muhammad Ali, Mujar Rajum, उसके बाद Ajmal Khan, Ajrat Moin. So these are the important leaders, prominent leaders who have committed for protest in India in the Khilafat issue. The last most point is the Khilafat may be seen an attempt of the part of the Indian Muslim leadership to bring their pan Islamic and Indian nationalist sentiment together. Okay, this is also a very important point that this Khilafat movement has attempted Indian Muslim leaders to bring their pan Islamic, means how the Islamic culture has been worldwide famous in the history of modern. Okay, this is also you should have to know that. So I hope you have understood the Khilafat issue. Let me make you more understand about Congress stand on Khilafat question. Why the Congress usually stands against or for on Khilafat question. At the point of issue, the Congress of the Nationalist Organization Mahatma Gandhi as the most acceptable leader was highly reversed. Okay, so nationalist organization like Mahatma Gandhi, most acceptable leader were highly reversed. Okay, at this point of Khilafat question, the Gandhiji was willing to lead the Khilafat movement, but the Congress not yet to prepare All India movement. Okay, so Gandhiji was supporting the Khilafat movement, but the Congress is preparing was not yet prepared for an All India movement. It is also should have know that. Especially Tilak, Lokmanya Tilak was supposed to having an alliance with the Muslim leaders on the religious issue. Okay, already Tilak already have an excellency with the Muslim leaders on the religious issues. However, Lieutenant Gandhiji was able to them and approved the Congress as a hit program of the party. So finally, what he has done, he has established a stable foundation for the leading of movement against or with the Khilafi movement. We can say that. So this is how the Congress stands on Khilafi movement or Khilafi question. So I hope that you have got the necessary information. Thank you.